Dumpster rental service in Irvington, New Jersey. At D&A Contracting, we provide efficient and affordable dumpster rental service in Irvington, New Jersey. Whether you're tackling a home project or managing a large construction site, we're here to make waste removal easy and hassle-free. We aim to simplify the cleanup process so you can focus on getting the job done. From spring cleaning and yard work to remodels and commercial jobs, we deliver the right dumpster exactly when you need it. Our team is known for being professional, prompt, and respectful of your time and property. We understand the importance of staying on schedule and are committed to supporting your timeline. We offer flexible scheduling, fast drop-offs, and convenient pickups to fit your needs. You won't find confusing contracts or hidden fees, just honest service and dependable support from start to finish. Irvington homeowners and contractors choose us because we keep the process simple and deliver on our promises. We're proud to be a trusted part of the Irvington community, offering local care and attention you can count on. Our dumpsters are ready for projects big or small. Call us at 973-809-3846 to reserve your dumpster. D&A Contracting makes waste solutions easy.